Stay together. Use that red button for the chainsaw.
Cool if you could.
Come on, stay with your buddies. Come on, throw some smoke grenades as well, just for fun. Oh, come on. Get up the stairs. Come on, take them up. Use your shotgun. Go in close. Use your shotgun. Keep it left. Come on, shotgun action. Keep it left. Come on. Okay, some of his other buddies are still alive. Come on, they seem to be sticking together. So that's the right technique. Oh, come on, blue button. That was pretty brutal, guys. Come on.